Got the 64.5 Mustang. Gonna do a cold start video. I just had it on the lift and did an undercarriage, so didn't want to start it and move it out without doing the cold start. But it is an actual D-code car, so 64.5, 289. It's always a highly desirable engine and package, being the 64.5. And it's got a Holley 600 CFM 4-barrel on it. So we'll take a look. Exhaust manifolds 56, 57 on the valve covers and intake, water pump. So she's cold. Haven't detailed this one out yet. That's next on the list. And then we'll do a walk around driving video. I did find the original steering wheel in the trunk, as well as some white armrest pads, so I'm going to be putting those on also. That's a good looking steering wheel too. She's pretty clean condition. But let's see, should be just we'll do 2 pumps. Fires right up. Magna Flow exhaust, so sounds really good. Lights work, gauges work, fuel, temp, aftermarket retro sound little system there. Right on to idle. You can tell the motor has been gone through. Sounds like a bit of a mild cam in this one too. She is. We'll get some additional content for you soon.